Hello guys, Branch here, welcome back to the video, and today we will be camouflaging again. Since y'all absolutely smashed that like button last video, we're going to be re-camoing this box, which I actually camoed yesterday, and it didn't really turn out the greatest. It didn't turn out to be what I thought it would be. And so yeah, we're going to be doing a stencil camouflage. It should be pretty fun. And I don't have any stencils, so you know what? Let's make some. Alright guys, so this is actually my first time using stencils to camouflage, so this is going to be a new experience for all of us. So let's start off just drawing some pretty basic shapes. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to cut these, and I'll see you guys after I cut them. Alright guys, so we got all the stencils here, and I actually cut this one a little bit smaller than I was planning on, and oh my god, I don't know if y'all can see these, but there's so many box cutter marks in the back of this box. If you have not seen the first video on camouflaging, I would go check that out right now in the top right corner of the screen. And, yeah, but if you have watched that already, make sure you keep on watching, and you already probably know what I'm about to do. So, I got the tan spray paint out. We'll be coloring with natural colors and using a stencil camouflage. So we got tan, brown, and green. So we're going to start off with the tan, again, and most of y'all probably already know this if you're watching this video. So, let's start off with the base color. Let's make sure it works. There we go. Let's get into it. Oh, and also guys, y'all want to go side to side like I am right now, so you can get the full amount of tan without having big splotches of spray paint. And that's only the first layer. We're going to do multiple layers, like I said last time. And, yeah. Alright guys, we just hit a problem. So, while I was camouflaging, like last time in the last video, I don't know how this just happened, but it just jammed again. Won't spray at all. And, yeah, that kind of sucks. I fixed it, but I just swap out this little tiny yellow piece for another one on a different type of bottle. And I'm definitely switching brands after this, because second time during a video. So, yeah, kind of sucks. Oh, and some other time I want to try out this other camouflage, which is just lines, like boom, 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 boom. I have one in World of Tanks that's like it, and if you have not checked out the World of Tanks video, I go check it out. It's actually pretty cool. I'll try that sometimes. How about this? If we get maybe 30 likes on this video, I will do that. 30. There you go. That side's done. Oh, guys, before we continue on with this video, make sure you hit that like button and that bell icon if you enjoy the video. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more content like this. So I'm going to start off with the green, the dark green. So, let's go. This guy's moving a little bit. Dude, you gotta stop moving. Oh, and also you want to stand kind of right above it when you're doing this, because all the stuff's gonna fly off if you don't. Okay, it's looking pretty green. In a second, actually I'm gonna make it a little bit more darker towards the bottom. Alright, y'all ready to see what this looks like? First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Hey, I just realized this one kind of looks like a duck. Oh, yeah. What? And fifth one. Alright, bam, we're moving on to the next side.
Okay.
That side seems to be done. I'm actually gonna pile them on top so I can do this top part real quick. Let me grab the other small piece so it could fit on that roof. There we go. All right, another side completed. I really hope this project turns out looking pretty good. The sides look pretty good, but I don't know how the top's gonna turn out, so let's just hope for the best. Trying to make it really green on the top. There we go. Okay. Y'all ready for the uncover? Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, we're moving on to the brown. Finally, we're so close to ending this project. Woo! So, let's start off just a little bit of piling it on. And hopefully this won't mess it up. I actually don't know what will happen, so let's just, try it, see if it works. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now I think it might be time to spray paint. Imagine it now and imagine what it will look like with a brown on it. Okay guys, cross our fingers. Hope this does not look really bad. Okay. 1, 2. Ah, dang airplane. It's ruining my shoot. Alright guys, we are completely done with the box. Now we just gotta let it dry, then we can do a showcase of it. So, it does look pretty good, but it was not what I was expecting. I was expecting kinda a little bit more. Alright guys, here is the final box. Now, make sure to slap that like button if you love this video, and if you just like it, make sure you do the same. Make sure you have subscribed if you have not already, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.